The Crystal Gardener of Zephyria. On the shimmering purple planet of Zephyria lived a young alien girl named Lumina. Her world was a symphony of soft hums and gentle breezes, but Lumina felt a quiet longing for something more. One day, while exploring a hidden grotto, Lumina touched a smooth, purple rock. A spark of magic tingled through her fingers, and from the rock, a tiny crystal bud began to unfurl, glowing with an inner light. The bud blossomed into a magnificent crystal flower, and as it did, a soft, melodic hum filled the air. Lumina gasped. She had grown a singing crystal flower, a secret melody just for her. Lumina spent her days nurturing her secret garden, filling it with the joyful songs of her crystal creations. She loved her gift, but a part of her worried about what others would think. "This is my special magic," she whispered to herself. But then, a strange quiet began to creep across Zephyria. The gentle hums of the planet faded, the breezes grew silent, and the vibrant sounds of the village dimmed. A deep, unsettling hush fell over everything. The villagers grew sad, their laughter replaced by worried murmurs. Lumina watched from afar, her heart heavy. The silence was not just outside, it felt like it was seeping into their very spirits. Lumina knew then that her gift wasn't just for her. "This is my responsibility," she thought, "to bring back the music." She took a deep breath and approached Elder Kale, the wisest in the village. Lumina explained her gift, and Elder Kale listened with a gentle smile. "Your gift is a wonder, Lumina," he said. "But a gift truly shines when it is shared. You must teach us how to care for these precious songs." Lumina took on the task with a serious heart. She taught the villagers how to awaken the crystal flowers, explaining that each one needed patience and gentle hands. "We must protect these songs," she told them, "for they are the voice of Zephyria." Soon, Zephyria was alive with music once more, a beautiful chorus of crystal songs. Lumina, the crystal gardener, smiled. She had learned that the greatest joy came not from keeping her gift secret, but from sharing its melody and taking responsibility for the happiness it brought.